What's up, Tribologies? Back with another video today. Just walking to the library with Jack and Andrew. Jack right here.
Hey, I'm alive.
Andrew up there.
Don't kill yourself.
Don't kill yourself. Don't.
Please do.
No, don't. Don't listen to this Asian right here.
I'll
Don't
enjoy
listen
it.
Put a sad face on your face.
No, put a happy face.
No.
Put a dumb face on his face.
Just walking to the library. We go to the freaking library almost every freaking day. I'm not even kidding. Are we? I'm not gay.
Wait, did you say Cole's gay or Caleb? Cole's gay. Huh? Caleb's the retarded kid, remember? Oh,
Yeah, remember Caleb? He's retarded.
Cole here? Brother? 69, awesome.
I am 69.
No.
Hi, person. You want to be on YouTube? This person. Here, you're on YouTube now. This kid wants to be on YouTube.
Hi. To be on YouTube.
These kids want to be on YouTube. Again, I'm gonna be on YouTube. Yeah. Where's the camera? Right there. Oh, right there. You couldn't tell where the camera was. It's Darth Vader. You gonna be on YouTube? Yes, he already is. Oh, dude, if they were making out, I could have caught that on camera. Dude, it was so much. Dude, if they were making out, I could have caught that on camera. Dang it! Freaking kiss scene on freaking YouTube. Oh, dude, that'd be awesome. Dude, I would show Anna. I would show Anna, and then I would show Emily. I would show everyone, and I would show his mom. Funny. We'll talk about that stuff.
Oh, dang.
They don't even
I'll show it to his family. It'd be hilarious. Man, it's hot out again. It's hot almost every single day.
Look at Andrew.
God, oh my gosh. Whoa. Thug Valley. Thug Valley, guys. Woo. It's really hot outside. Well, I might teleport. I love teleporting, man. It's just so much fun. Okay, be back. 3, 2, 1. Teleported again. I'm so good at teleporting. You know, because I'm totally teleporting. It's totally not just editing this video when you see it. Oh my god. Well, you might be not watching this because something had gone wrong and I might have died. You never know. Oh god! And I just dropped you in the freaking... Oh, sorry. Sorry, I dropped you guys. Ow!
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I dropped you guys in the gravel. I mean, not gravel. The wood chips. Was that marijuana?
Teleport.
I already did. This
Get my car.
This dude, bro. Oh dang! I gotta get this guy on YouTube. Ha! That guy. Oh dang! Look at this. Look at that white Mustang. Woo! Oh no! Pull there. White Mustang. White Mustang. Oh. Oh, you just dropped your beads, dude. Thug life. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Dude, which way are you going? Which way are they going? Going. So, Yeah, almost to the library right now. Dang it. Almost the number I wanted. Guys, check out this vehicle. Then when you go to the next one, bang. Look at that. This is the awesome vehicle parked next to the crappy vehicle. Oh, Andrew, remember when you told me about that? You guys went to the library without me? That girl paid you $25 for bringing her groceries into her apartment. Yeah, Calvin and Andrew, they were walking to the library. Another day when I wasn't there, some girl said, if you help me with my groceries, I'll give you $20. And they did it, but they got 25 this time. So, yeah. This is take one. Is that the, oh, dude, this is that. Is that really? It's the hood. I swear that's the hood. I swear that's the hood. Okay, we're good. Jack, we're good. We're good. I'm gonna die. Oh my god. 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 Okay, guys. Fortunately, I'm gonna have to end it there. See you after we're done at the library. Smile more.